commencement speaker, my co-workers in the government service, good morning and congratulations to our dear graduates. So, I'll be reading, babasahin ko po yung mensahe na ibinahagi sa atin ng ating Secretary, Armen A. Luistro. Congratulations to our dear graduates. My warmest greetings to our school administrator, teacher, staffs, and parents who have helped and guided our graduates attain this significant milestone in their lives. Today is a testimony to the enduring and resilient Filipino spirit, to our ability to stand up and gain and conquer the odds, to our innate optimism to see the light at the end of the tunnel. We have proven that we can surmount any adversity by sharing our light with each other in times of darkness. Through the many challenging moments we've endured, many of us were tempted to give up, but the Filipino heart refuses to be broken by calamities. We see the ray of hope in the faith and joy we share with each other, even in the most trying of circumstances. We may be battered, but definitely never defeated. May this year's theme, hindi natitinag ang pusong Pilipino, be a constant reminder and a source of strength that we will propel each graduate to achieve more for others and the country in spite of the obstacles that will stand in the way. For us in the schools, may this theme remind us of the energy that should continue to animate our institution, which in turn would help us to give each of our learners the best that we deserve. Again, congratulations to our graduates. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. By Secretary Armen A. Luistro, FEC. At ngayon, babasahin ng ating principal ng Katipunan Elementary School yung mensahe ng ating sangay na tagapamihala ng mga paaralan, Omar Iobas by Ma'am Caniedo.